Hi everyone, I'm Heather Wen, a retired nurse practitioner and the founder and practitioner at Arizona Healing Alternatives. On this channel you'll find several videos, what I like to call aha moments, where we'll be discussing issues that impact your health. So whether you decide to use Western medicine, alternative medicine, or even a mix of both, I'm passionate about you knowing what your options are. For today's aha moment, I'm going to show you a quick and easy trick to do, especially after you get dental cleanings or major dental work, that can help kind of detox the body. So stay tuned. So when I was being trained as a TBM practitioner or Total Body Modification practitioner, there was this cute little trick. There was a section of our class where we were talking about little tips and tricks and things to do to help. Things like helping with sunburns and things like that. Well, one of the things that was recommended is a technique that you can do, especially after you have dental work or you just have a cleaning done. If you are one of those people that still has metal or metallic fillings, amalgams that are mixed with any kind of metal whatsoever, then I know a lot of people have had those removed, but that has to be done very, very, very carefully. But one quick and easy trick that you can do is to try to kind of clear that junk out of the mouth. Well, all you need for this is a magnet and a light source. And so I'll show you that right now. What you do, and this is just an example, but you need to use the north pole of the magnet, and those are usually labeled. But what you would do is we're trying to get stuff that has been liberated either by a cleaning or by a major dental work. What we're trying to do is shine this light through the back of the teeth over to the magnet that's going to go across the top, which is the upper part of the jaw, and the lower part of the jaw. And this looks really strange, but here's my little pen light. And what you're going to do is shine that light through the back of the teeth as you move that magnet, which is really hard to demonstrate, so bear with me. And all the way through, in the back with that. And that's just a quick and easy technique. Now people say, well, what does that do? Well, technically what it's supposed to do is kind of liberate any kind of metals or things out that have been disturbed when you get a dental cleaning or you have major dental work. So you can do that drinking tons and tons of water to flush everything out and see if that helps. Now most people aren't going to feel a difference, and do you really have to do it? That's up to you. Is it effective? I don't know. What it comes down to is these cute little tips and techniques that can potentially help you keep your body healthy. If you've enjoyed what you've seen, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. And if you like what you've seen, you can hit that notification bell, and anytime new videos come out, you'll be notified. So what the heck? Why not try something new? See if that helps you and helps this body and this immune system stay really healthy. Take care and have a great day.